stop my recording. Were those in the water when we came off?
What are you talking about?
Wait.
What was in the water? Mate, I remember my shader package like very dark.
There's cobblestone structures now in the water, and those weren't there yesterday.
Well, let's quickly get along with this video, and then I'll go have a look at it. What's up today, guys? We're back with another video of horror Minecraft with Zach somewhere over there.
Hi.
We are just gonna be speaking in game since we got that. It's gonna be the same mod pack. But we've already noticed something. So I don't know if we can sleep yet. Should we try?
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
What was that? I didn't hear anything. Hold on, I'm gonna turn my sounds up again. Go sleep. That's like mid-sleep.
Oh, I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
Oh, fuck. Not this again.
Ah, the knock is in my window. Look.
Oh, that means I'm building up.
I told you.
Why was he looking at me?
He was looking at me.
He looked like he was looking at me.
Actually, I don't even know.
Bro, why is it going to be nighttime now? Oh. Sleep. Because in caves, it's a lot harder. That's me.
Bro,
the knocker said, hey, come outside before we slept. Wait, so what are you talking about that was in the water?
Okay, so wait, have you posted the video yet?
I can see it. What, my second part?
The one we recorded yesterday.
Oh no.
Okay, so I'm gonna give like a bit of background. So yesterday, me and Theo were going into the forest to try to get food, and we found a ravine, and we were like, "Oh, bro, come look!" And then we started to get chased.
Where the fuck you've gone? No, there you are. Actually, let's do that. That's probably more.
Oh, yo. How do... And then we logged off after like getting back to our bases, and these stones were never here.
That is weird.
It is really weird.
Yeah, I never really saw this.
Look, this is the jump. This stone was never here.
Be careful, creeper.
Yeah, I know.
Over there.
But yeah, this stone was never here.
What, so you're telling me it's moving? That is, like, really odd.
It is really odd. There's a fox. Yeah, look. They were never here. But I am gonna take the stone so I can use it in like a build or something.
Yeah, because we were here.
Yeah, this is where we were. Oh, there you are. Maybe they're markers.
Maybe, or something.
Should we go in that ravine? Yeah, look.
Yeah,
the top of it's now blocked off.
Should we get like shit tons of bread like we said we were gonna do before we left?
Yeah.
I think we should go to the ravine.
Yeah, let's go.
What'd you see? What'd you see?
You know that screenshot you sent me?
Yeah.
He was like in the water right there.
What? The
Herobrine.
one that I got a screeny with?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He was just there.
Right. By the way, if we have shields, if we get shields, we can kill the mimics easier.
Yeah.
Because I did as well. Oh my god, it's so scary at night.
I don't have enough
Oh, the
torches
fox
for
is down
this shit.
here. I have 22.
I have 7.
Let's go down this way. I want to find some more coal.
Bro, this is scary.
Go!
Oh, mine shaft!
Oh, I see more coal. Wait, oh, there is. Nice. What? Are you mad?
I got 1 as well.
Ow! Ow! Ah! Ah! Ow! Bruh! We need string for a backpack. I need 1 more. How much you got?
I have none.
Fuck, we need 1 more for a backpack. Wait, do you have any swords?
No, wait, I could quickly make one, maybe.
Yeah, make one. Oh my god, I just forgot. All this string could be so good for a backpack.
Just cover
Holy
me.
shit.
Just cover me.
Yeah. I'm making a sword myself. Just mine all this. Be careful, be careful. Kill him! Die, bitch! Die!
Ow.
Got him. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to. Just grab all of this, because all of this can equal a massive backpack that we can have.
I just broke the spawner. That's fine.
Yeah, that's good. We need to break that spawner.
I have 22 string.
I have 33. We're gonna need quite a bit though.
There's
I
more
think.
webs over here though.
Yeah. At least I got a weapon.
Yeah.
Right. I got almost 40. Oh, more coal, more coal.
Nice. Oh, that was a
Oh,
lot.
that was satisfying. Iron as well. Oh, okay.
Yo!
Oh my god. Wait, we can make shields. Come down here, come down here. We want to be safe down here. We're gonna make some shields before we go out.
Yeah.
Because
You want me to make another?
shield.
Okay.
I already got.
Wait, we need to smell it
I
now?
can hear a cow. I can hear a cow. Can you hear that?
No. Oh,
I can hear a cow. Can you not hear the cow?
hold on, wait. Let me. Shh. Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah, that's a mimic. That's exactly why we want shields. Right, grab your piece. And make a shield. There you go. The shields on this look sick, by the way. It's out of your way. It looks sick.
Yo.
Right, badass. But the problem is, you can't have your torch as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, torch. Okay, here we go. Let's come this way. Pretty sure the cow's over there somewhere. Oh, we went this way. Do we want to go that way?
Yeah. But the mimic.
We can fight off the mimic. I fought off the mimic with stone tools. Just be a bit wary. Wait, hold on.
It says in chat.
Oh my god, the satisfaction.
I'm just looking down at the end of the corridor.
I just got 58 torches.
I could hear you crafting them.
Yeah, it's cool.
Bro, your
Guess let's
shape is
go.
going through your skit, your bag. It's kind of annoying. The cow might
I
be
just
further
keep-
down then.
Oh, I think it might be down there. Oh my god, look down here. Oh my god, this goes deep. Holy.
Oh!
Also, it's
There's
a lush cave.
Yeah, lush cave.
Be careful, because this is actually kind of risky.
Huh.
I don't want to fall too far. Oh, iron!
Nice.
One of us keep a torch out at all times because it's like really dark. I love
Oh,
lush
yo,
caves.
more iron.
There's shit tons of iron. Do you want to mine that? Because,
One.
Whoa! This like feels not even like a horror pack anymore with this. Look at
Oh.
that.
This is beautiful, bro.
I know.
There's a zombie stuck over. There's an axolotl!
No, you're lying.
No, I'm not, wait, where the hell are you, man?
I'm getting
Look,
cool.
come in. There's an axolotl.
I'm getting. Where is the axolotl? Oh, zombie! I didn't see you there.
I saw it over here. Look, Chris, there's a dead fish.
Wait. A dead fish.
Look!
Where's the axolotl?
Oh, it's so cute!
Where is? Where the fuck? Oh! Bro, the animation looks looking. Wait, turn on fresh animations. What does he look like? I've never seen an axolotl with fresh animations on. Did I just crash my head?
Oh,
Please tell me I didn't. What does he look like?
it's more fluid. I'll say that.
Yes.
Well, there's not much of a difference.
Look at him. Wait,
So-
I'm on like 50 FPS. I might keep it on for now. Hold on,
Oh.
my mate texted me.
The axolotl on my way. What the fuck was that?
I heard that. Remember, we got Cave Dweller.
Shut the fuck up.
Do you not remember that? Because we do.
No, I do remember.
Wait, is there another one?
I just saw something glowing.
Dead fish.
I looked to. Where'd you go?
I'm over here.
I'm hearing some weird shit.
Ooh, mimic! Mimic! No, don't get in my way. I'm trying to get a screenshot of it.
My bad, mate.
I can still see him. I can still see him. Look at him!
Oh, yo, he's coming.
He's coming straight for us. I can hear the fucking cave dweller.
Can you?
Can't hear him, but he is somewhere.
Oh.
Holy fucking shit! Just run. Run somewhere. Oh, not straight towards the mimic. I start with a dweller. What? Holy shit!
Bro,
Come in here, come in here. Wait, let the creeper burn up. Let the creeper burn up. Did he?
no.
Oh.
Oh. Yo. Just kill me, man. Kill me. I don't want to be down there. Bro, being in that cave after accidentally killing Theo. Worst thing ever. Killed him though. That lava pool behind your house has some coal around it.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck?
Oh, bro shot himself. Oh, no way. Oh my Bro had footsteps, he was about to get back shotted.
The thing right? Just complete silence, talking, and I go to type, and I just hear sprinting behind me. Oh my god.
That's so funny. I got 55 torches.
I have 6.
Do you want some?
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Gold.
What about down here? I feel like this would be like a better route to take to go down.
I think so.
Oh, it's dark down here. Oh, that
It's
is
nice
a
down
better
here.
route. I killed the mimic, by the way. Shoot me! Yeah.
Mate! What grudge do you have against me, bro?
I want it to shoot me so I can just get the cheek. There we go.
Nice.
The diamonds!
Already! Can you kill it? Or do you want to get it? Okay, yeah, fine.
It was 1 diamond. Oh!
How many?
1.
How much is there? 1 again.
Bro.
Yeah, fuck off. I don't really know where we are.
My house, right? Come up the stairs.
Bro, I'm laying so much. What the fuck?
Yeah, okay. So, say you stand here, yeah? Okay, so I had just spawned in. The cave dweller was literally waiting here.
No way the cave dweller can come out the caves.
How would it have gotten up?
Oh,
What?
I saw fucking. I saw Herobrine, but I saw that weird looking bloody mouth thing, the thing I sent you.
Ew. Oh.
And he started moving to the right. So, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and yeah, bye!
Bye. Oh, he's faster. Oh my god.